Heads or tails? A coin for every situation. With this tool, any decision is just a flip of a coin away. Insert into mozaBook. Insert the tool into your publication as interactive content. Let's find out how to use the Heads or Tails tool. Drag any part of the coin to rotate it. Click anywhere on the coin to flip it. Click on the icon in the bottom left corner to choose a different coin. You can choose from 9 different types of coins. Click on this icon to insert this tool into your publication as interactive content. Visit our website for further information on mozaBook tools.